Can you fix my jacket?
Yes, I can fix it.
Is the metal zipper broken?
Yes, the zipper is broken.
Can you put new zipper?
Yes, I have new zippers.
Is the new zipper strong?
Yes, it is very strong.
Can you fix my tracksuit?
Yes, I can sew it.
Is the hole very big?
No, it is small hole.
Will you use strong thread?
Yes, I use strong thread.
Can you hide the hole?
Yes, you will not see.
Is the repair very fast?
Yes, it is very fast.
When will it be ready?
It is ready tomorrow morning.
Can I wait right here?
Yes, sit on the chair.
Is the chair very comfortable?
Yes, it is very soft.
Can I leave jacket here?
Yes, leave it with me. Are these pants too long?
Yes, they are too long.
Can you make them shorter?
Yes, I can shorten them.
Must I wear them now?
Yes, put the tracksuit on.
Do they cover my shoes?
Yes, they touch the floor.
Will you fold the fabric?
Yes, I will fold it.
Will you use metal pins?
Yes, I use small pins.
Do the pins hurt me?
No, they will not hurt.
Is this length very good?
Yes, the length is perfect.
Can I walk fast now?
Yes, walk in the room.
Are they safe for running?
Yes, they are very safe.
Can I take them off?
Yes, take the pants off.
Will you sew them today?
Yes, I will sew today.
Is the green thread ready?
Yes, I have green thread.
Do you have blue zippers?
Yes, I have many zippers.
Is this zipper blue plastic?
Yes, it is blue plastic.
Does it match my tracksuit?
Yes, the color matches well.
Do you have metal zippers?
Yes, I have metal ones.
Are metal zippers much stronger?
Yes, metal is very strong.
Can I choose silver metal?
Yes, silver is very nice.
Will it pull up easily?
Yes, it is very smooth.
Will it break very soon?
No, it will last long.
Will you sew it tightly?
Yes, I sew very tight.
Do you use a machine?
Yes, my machine is fast.
Is the machine very loud?
No, it is very quiet.
Can you start sewing now?
Yes, I will start now.
Can I watch you sew?
Yes, you can stand here.
Are my sport clothes ready?
Yes, they are completely ready.
Can I check the zipper?
Yes, you can pull it.
Does it work very smoothly?
Yes, it works like new.
Is the silver metal shiny?
Yes, it is very shiny.
Are the long pants ready?
Yes, the length is perfect.
Did you cut the fabric?
Yes, I cut the bottom.
Is the sewing line straight?
Yes, the line is straight.
Did you iron my tracksuit?
Yes, I ironed it well.
Does it look brand new?
Yes, it looks very good.
Can I try them on?
Yes, the room is there.
Do they fit me perfectly?
Yes, they fit you well.
Are they comfortable for sport?
Yes, they are very comfortable.
Can I pack them up?
Yes, put them in bag.
How much is the repair?
It is 20 paper dollars.
Do you take paper cash?
Yes, I take cash only.
Is a 20 bill good?
Yes, a 20 is perfect.
Do you need small change?
No, the money is exact.
Did you print my receipt?
Yes, here is your receipt.
Can I take the paper?
Yes, take it with you.
Can I put in pocket?
Yes, your tracksuit has pockets.
Do you have a card?
Yes, here is my card.
Can I call you later?
Yes, call me any time.
Do you work every day?
Yes, I work every day.
Will you fix clothes again?
Yes, I will help you.
Can I leave the shop?
Yes, you can go now.
Have a very good day.
Thank you. Goodbye, my friend.